What's up, guys? This is Will. Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video, taking a look at a wireless gaming headset. Now, this was sent out to me by this company right here, Calmbee, so a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. You can pick this up on Amazon.com, $39.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick these up or read up on all the specs on them. So here's some very nice red and black packaging. I do like red and black together. So this color scheme works very, very well to me. Calmbee wireless gaming headset, double chamber drivers. Got a nice picture of the red and black headset here. It's going to have that mic coming off the edge of it there. It's going to look very dope. Look like they're going to be very comfortable. Some of the specs on this, you see, we're going to have 2.4 gigahertz wireless, 60 hours of battery life, comfort ear pad, clear mic, 3.5 millimeter line in, and this model number is going to be CB-GH200. This side, some of the same stuff I already read off. This side is going to tell you that this has soft memory protein earmuffs, ergonomic adjustable headband. And then on the back, you get some more of your specs here. Gaming grade 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection via USB dongle, provides up to 48 hours of battery life at 70% headset volume. The connection range can be reach up to 39 feet. So that's a good amount of space there. You're going to have 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection. Works great with PC, PS4 via USB dongle. Connect to your Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices with 3.5 millimeter jack, and double chamber drivers for gaming audio. For more distinction and less distortion, experience maximum spatial awareness with audio sensitivity and games. And then here are some more of the specs there that you guys can read. Let's go ahead and get into this box and see what we got in it. All right, guys, so this is everything that was in the box. So, of course, you're going to have your user's manual, and it's going to tell you everything that you need to know about getting these connected, everything that you need to know in there. Then you're going to have your 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter cable. This is a nice braided cable. It does have a cable management strap here as well to keep this all together when you're not using it. This is going to be about 7 feet long. You got your charging cable, which is which is USB, micro USB to USB-A, so no Type C. Then you got your 2.4 gigahertz dongle here for connecting your headphones to your different devices. And of course, we got these very nice looking headset here, which is very nice. I love this black and red stitching here, just very premium looking. You got nice padded head part here. Now these are going to be adjustable, so you shouldn't have any issues having these to fit your head. And then you got your wires coming down going into your main head earmuffs here. And you got that memory protein foam here, which is very nice. These seem like they're going to be very comfortable. Nice padding up at the top. And then you got this metal, very nice red aluminum or some type of metal here, which is very nice looking. You got that branding on both earphones, headsets there. You do have a switch here to mute your mic. And if we go down here, you're going to have your volume up and down, your power. You're going to have a LED indicator right there, your micro USB, and then you got your 3.5 aux in right there. And this one doesn't have any kind of controls on it at all. So the mic, you can reposition this, push it wherever you need. And these are very nice, man. Feel very quality, and they're not very heavy at all, and very adjustable. These are just nice looking. So I'm going to go ahead and get these set up, and we'll do a mic test, and I'll let you know what I think about them. All right, guys, so this is the onboard mic on my Canon M50 before I plug in the Calmbee gaming headset. Let you guys kind of see the difference in the sound. So I'm going to go ahead and plug those in and let you guys see how they look and how it sounds. All right, guys, so here we are. I have these plugged in with the 3.5 millimeter cable into my Canon M50. Now, you do have to use an adapter on the end of it. I'll show you guys the adapter, but this is what they're going to look like, and this is what they're going to sound like. The padding up here is very nice. If you wear glasses, the memory foam feels great on the ears, and it's not interfering with my glasses at all. The mic, as you guys see, you can move this around wherever you want, and they adjust to my head very well. So this is the look that you're going to get. This is what they sound like in comparison to the onboard mic on my Canon M50. Let's try them another way right now. All right, guys, so we're back in. This is my Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra onboard microphones. When I was using the headset with my Canon M50 right here, I was using this little adapter right here. Now, this is what they call a TRS adapter. As you see, it has two rings on there. In order to use this cable here with my Canon M50, I have to have this adapter here. This cable has three rings. This is what they call TRRS, but you need to break that down to a TRS right here. And you can find these on Amazon.com, and you just simply put that over the top of it. Now you're able to use this with cameras instead of, this one's going to be used with like your cell phones, smartphones, and things like that, speakers, laptops and things. But if you want to use it with a camera, you're going to have this adapter. And I'll try and drop a link down below if you guys want to pick that up. But this is the onboard mics on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. I wanted to give you guys an example of what this sounds like before I plug in the adapter here and use the headset. So next, I'm going to plug this in, pair it, and then you'll be hearing the how the headset works with this tablet. Also going to try to do some gaming. I'm not a gamer, and maybe watch some videos or something like that to check out the latency as well. So let's go ahead and get to that part of the video. Okay, guys, so I have the dongle plugged in over to the side right here, and very easy to pair it with the headphones. And this is the sound that you're going to get right here from the Calmbee gaming headset. So it should be a big improvement over the onboard mics on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. You guys see I do have a light here letting me know that I have power, and I can also mute this as well. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. Microphone on. And as you guys see, it gives you a verbal notice that you have turned the microphone off. And this is what they look like again on my head. So I'm going to try these out. I'm not a gamer, but I'm going to try them out and see if I see any latency. I'll probably look at a few videos or something like that as well and see if there's any latency at all. But as far as voice quality, I think these sound very well. So let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, so we're back in. This has been my look at the Calmbee wireless gaming headset. I think this is a very nice set of headsets here. There was very little latency, if any at all, using it with the adapter hooked up to my Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. I'm not a gamer, but these seem to work out very well for gaming. I got really involved in the games. I'm not a gamer, but the few little games that I tried, the sound was excellent on it. These have 50 millimeter drivers, and they sound good. They do a good job of reducing the outside noise, and so you have a pleasant experience here. You guys see you got your indicator light here, and you got one over here on the dongle as well. Now, I think the best experience with these was using them with the 3.5 millimeter jack here, cable, and there was no latency like that. But overall, I think the voice experience was great on these. Using them, where I showed you guys how the mic sound. The volume gets very loud using the volume switch here. I couldn't run them at max because they were just too loud, and I was watching videos, playing games, or whatever with these. They're going to be very loud, comfortable, very nice padding. And I like them, man. I like the color scheme. I like the color pattern. And these just sound great, man. So I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More.